today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious bacon-wrapped hot dogs recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need hot dog buns, hot dogs, and sliced bacon. We're going to start by wrapping each of the hot dogs in bacon. Add the hot dogs to a pan over heat and cook thoroughly on all 4 sides. Once cooked, take out the hot dogs onto a plate. Now we're going to toast our hot dog buns. Add one of our hot dogs into our hot dog buns. Our bacon-wrapped hot dogs are complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.